Welcome to the second part. I'm just putting the colors of the previous drawings. All right, and you can see the basic principles of shading. That one side is getting, the darker, and another side is getting lighter. So it's like a play of the shades and shadow. Mm-hmm. Okay. All right. For the man, we are going to put the orange color for the skin tone, so that is the highlighted one, and we can easily see. Okay. Mm-hmm. Also the horse has a colorful holdings here, and you can see the ropes. Mm-hmm. Ropes here, the shoe, this is colorful. Okay, now we're going to use the other colors, like the golden colors for the hairs. Mm-hmm. You can see. Okay, golden colors for the horse hair. Nice and steady, the colors is good. Mm-hmm. And this off-white color runs the whole body. Okay, so for the sketches and the drawings, everybody has a separate style, so I usually put the colors in some stages. So primary stage, secondary stage, so it comes like few steps before I complete the drawing. Mm-hmm. Okay. All right, you can see the horses. Now I'm going to use the pencils to outline a little bit more particular, so that the drawing looks good and better in some way. Mm-hmm. All right. Because of the darkness, sometimes the outlines, it doesn't looks prominent, sometimes it's fade away. So to just express the full shapes, you have to redraw over the old drawing, so that the drawing looks more better. Mm-hmm. Okay, all right, and here you can see the shoe. Okay, the border outlines of the dress here at the bottom. Mm-hmm. Okay, and the ears here. Now we're going to use the crayon colors to show the grasses below the horse at the bottom. You can see. Mm-hmm. So it's a combination of the green, dark green, and the light green. So you can see the grass is very nice. Okay, all right. So the horse rider is on the ground. Now let's put the drawings here like this. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe the channel and put the bell icons on to get the updates. Thanks for watching. Oh, last one more thing. I'm sorry. Here I'm going to put a black color for this one. All right, now it's done. Thank you so much. Have a good day.